guys, welcome to Learn for Future channel. In this video I'm going to explain about probability. Probability is a very important topic and very easy topic. Before going to the topic, we want to learn what is probability. Probability means which shows outcome of an event is called as probability. What is outcome? Outcome means when you throw a die, the probability may be 1 or 2 or 3 and so on 6. That may be anything. That means result of an random experiment. Event means any subset of a sample space is called an event. Before going to examples, learn this topic so that you can easily understand how to solve the problems. First one, experiment. Experiment means an operation which produce outcome is called experiment. That means here in experiments we get exact output. That means exact outcome. But for random experiment will not get exact outcome. So this is the difference between an experiment and random experiment. For random experiment, examples are rolling and uni-based dice and drawing a card from a pack and tossing a fairy coin and etc. These are the examples of a random experiment. Now sample space. Sample space means the set of all possible outcomes is called sample space. That means only all possible outcomes is called as a sample space. For example, when you toss a coin that have either heads or tails, these are the possibilities of tossing a coin. So this is the example for sample space. We have one important formula where P of E is equals to N of E by N of S, where P of E is an experiment and random experiment means N of E and sample space is N of S, where N of E means what we want to find, where N of S is total. Now important formula. First important formula is probability of event is equals to number of event by number of sample space, where number of event is what we want to find by total, and second formula is P of S is equals to 1, where third formula is when 0 is less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1, and fourth formula is 4 pi is equals to 0, and fifth formula is for any two events, for suppose events A and B where P of A union B is equals to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. The sixth formula, P of A bar is equals to 1 minus P of A. Now example 1. A bag contains 2 red balls, 3 green balls and 2 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn randomly. What is the probability that none of balls drawn is blue? Here a bag contains 2 red balls and 3 green balls and 2 blue balls. Total number of balls is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equals to 7. So let S be the sample space. So N of S is equals to number of ways of drawing 2 balls from 7 balls. So 7C2. So 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. If we calculate, we'll get 21. N of E is, in question they ask us to find none of balls drawn from blue. So we have total 2 red balls and 3 green balls and 2 blue balls. Here 2 blue balls should not be there. We want to take these 2 balls. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 balls total. So 5C2, because 2 random balls we want to select. So this is 2 and this is 5. If we calculate 5 into 4 by 2 into 1, 10. So we want to finally substitute in this formula. So 10 by 21. Now example 2. What is the probability of getting sum 9 for 2 throws of a die? Here for 1 die is 6 and for another 1 die is 6. So total number of dice N of S is equals to 6 into 6, 36. We want to find N of E. N of E means if we add one number we should get 9. That is only sum. If we do sum we should get 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9 and 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 5 plus 4 is 9. So these are the possibilities of getting sum as 9. So N of E is equals to how many ways? Only 4 ways. 4. Where P of E is equals to N of E by N of S. Where N of E means 4 by 36. 1 by 9. Now example 3. 3 uni-based coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at most 2 heads? So first here N of S is, when you tossed a coin that can contains, N of S is equals to 3 tails and 2 tails and 1 head, 1 tail, head and tail, H T T, T H H and H tails and heads. These are the possibilities. Why I wrote 3? Because they clearly mentioned that 3 uni-based coins are tossed. So these are the possibilities of tossing 3 uni-based coins. So we want to find E, N of E. N of E means they clearly mentioned that at most 2 heads. At most 2 heads means that may be 0 to 2. It may be 0, 1 and 2. So here we have Here we have no heads, but we have at most 2 means 0, so we want to write this, and 1 is heads. These are the possibilities. We should not write this because only at most 2 heads. So we have here 3 heads. So we should not write this. These are the possibilities. So these are the 7. So P of E is equals to 7 by total 8. Now fourth example. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability of getting 2 numbers whose product is even? 2 dice are thrown, that means 6 into 6, 36. This is n of s. Now n of e is getting 2 numbers whose product is even. That means 1 of 2. 2 is the even number, so we want to write only even numbers. 1, 4, 6, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and so on. These are the possibilities. 27 are the possibilities. We can write 1 even and 1 odd, where n of e is equals to 27, where p of e is equals to n of e by n of s, where 27 by 36, 3 by 4. Now fifth example. In a class there are 15 boys and 10 girls. 3 students are selected at random. The probability of getting 1 girl and 2 boys are selected. Now there are 15 boys and 10 girls, means total 25 students, and 3 students are selected randomly. That means 5C3. 25 into 24 into 23 by 3, 2, 1. If we calculate, we'll get 2300. This is n of s is equals to 2300. We want to find n of e, where total number of girls is 10 girls, and total number of boys is 15 boys. They ask us to find the probability that 1 girl and 2 boys. So we should take 10C1 into 15C2, where 10 into 15 into 14 by 2 into 1. If we calculate, we'll get 1050, where P of E is equals to n of E by n of s, where n of E is 1050 by 2300, n of s is. If we calculate, we'll get 46 by 21. Now, sixth example. 2 cards are drawn together from a pack of 52 cards. The probability that one is spade and another one is heart. Now, let S be the sample space. That means n of s is equals to 52. Total 52 cards. We want to take 1 spade and 1 heart. That means 1 plus 1, 2. So 5C2 means 52 into 51 by 2 into 1. If we calculate, we'll get 1326. Now n of e. They said the probability that one is spade and another one is heart. Total spade is 13 and total heart is 13. So we want to take only one. So 13C1 and 13C1. So 13C1 into 13C1. 13 13 so 169. So we want to find P of E. n of E by n of S, 169 by 1326. If you calculate, we'll get 13 by 102. Okay friends, I hope everyone understand this probability. Next topic I'll see in next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.